Hello, beautiful souls. I know you've been waiting for this because I have been too. Super excited to show you my new apartment. So we're gonna have an apartment tour. It's been about 6 months since me and Atiana moved in, and this is definitely the most amazing living space I've ever had, and you will see why. So come along with me. Should we go upstairs, monkey?
Let's go upstairs.
Go upstairs.
Upstairs first.
Ta-da! Nice, bright, big living room. I mean, I can do yoga up here, several things. Love the natural light. Oh my geez.
Yes.
Lots of natural. Look at this. Like, get over there. Show them like how complimentary this natural light is. Look at that.
Jeez, yeah.
I mean, am I radiating? All right, we'll go to the back.
To the kitchen.
To the kitchen.
To the window, to the wall.
About 3 steps here to get us up. Here is our amazing, not much natural light kitchen. But all the light is obviously in the living room. Let me show you the best part of this kitchen, guys. I'm gonna show you the best and tell you the best part of this kitchen. Right here. This baby. I bought this fridge. This did not come with the apartment, and this is the fridge I've always wanted. It's a double door. Just cleaned it this morning and organized it. I was telling Atiana, fridge psychology is real. You can tell how a person takes care of themselves, how organized their fridge is, and what's in it. If you guys want to see more about what's in my fridge, let me know. I could create a whole YouTube channel, video, sorry, on that. All right, let's close that. Little laundry room, kind of crusty, but whatever. Oh, yeah,
I can help you.
And are you guys ready to go to the bedrooms? Let's go.
Yes. Your room first.
Your room first? Oh, well, I guess we could show them the bathroom.
Oh yeah, the bathroom.
We don't have a curtain right now because we're going to TJ Maxx today to buy a fall one. So, and we cleaned today, so that's why we thought we should show them. Uh-oh, Monkey didn't do her chore to clean the windows though, the mirrors.
They're not even done.
Monkey's chore, sorry guys. Just kidding. But the toilets are clean, the tub is clean, and I love having a restroom right by their bedrooms. A monkey.
Yes.
The best thing about this restroom is the fairy lights.
I know. Never mind. I'm not gonna say that.
Here is my bedroom.
Oh,
I'm actually in the works of redecorating my bedroom, so I will create a whole YouTube video on that. So if y'all are interested, give this video a thumbs up. This bed is new, that mirror is new. The last part I'm going to buy is the dresser. Love log beds. Love it. I'm trying to bring as much nature as I can into my bedroom. As you see, like my plants there and my waterfall lights. And I love my pillows.
Cute.
Right. Do you want to show your room, Monkey?
No, no, you show
You
it.
don't, really? Okay. You really don't want to show it?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Alright. It's a little hallway with our air purifier. And Monkey got the king size bedroom because she is doing homeschool. That's the reason why. That's the reason why I let you have the big bedroom, because you're doing homeschool. So you do your school here. Your lights. Oh, you should turn on your lights.
Oh yeah, plug those bad boys in.
Where is it?
Here, I'll do it. Oh, they do still work.
Tell me your favorite part of your room.
Probably my bed.
Your bed?
Yeah, I have to redo my calendar.
Does look comfy. Oh, and we just bought you a new UGG comforter, but Nala peed on it. As you guys seen, it was in the living room on the couch. We have to take it to go get washed.
When we go to Ross, can we get dry erase
Look
stuff?
how organized she is. I love that you make your little schedule up there.
I know, but look at that one marker stained it.
Yeah. Oh, we'll get you some of those white magic pads with the Mr. Magic guy on there.
Okay.
Oh, you know what my favorite part of your bedroom is? I mean, there's a lot of great parts about your bedroom. What? But I love your money tree. Look at our money tree.
That little guy, he did bad when
and it's thriving. Yeah, it's thriving though.
No, he
And then I love your window. Honey, and then you cover it up.
Well, my money tree's usually doing so much better, but he kind of got ugly.
Do you want to show them your closet, or does it look awful?
No, it's not awful. I mean, I have my laundry basket.
I actually like your closet because, like, when it's nice, you have that there to sit there, and it's like your little
my laundry
reading.
basket isn't on here, and my shoes are.
When you make it look like a reading nook, it looks really cute. And then I also, can you show them your mandala behind the door? Tatiana plays the guitar, guys, and she's getting really good. She has an electric and an acoustic. Look how spoiled she is. Thank you, Grandpa, Popo Ben, and Grandma Trudy.
Yeah.
I love that too.
Look at my llama.
And I love the llama. She's
Put
cute.
all my pictures up there.
Yeah, I love all those pictures. She's so great at decorating. Tatiana is so great at decorating.
That painting doesn't stay up there. I have to finish it.
And then I love how you put all your awards up, all your accomplishments.
Mm-hmm.
And then this little cute little nook area. All right, we'll go show them my favorite part of the apartment.
Okay.
Tatiana's new comforter.
Yes.
This is the mom comforter.
It's so comfy.
She bought it for herself with her allowance.
Here's Mama.
You're supposed to do your chores though, so you better clean those bathroom mirrors.
I will.
All right, we're gonna go back down these stairs that we started at. Ta-da! I manifested this place. It took 3 years of manifesting and visualizations, meditations to get my own little yoga studio, guys. So yes, my yoga studio is downstairs, workout studio, really yoga studio though. But we do work out down here too, huh, Monk?
Yeah.
It's amazing. Obviously has amazing ambiance. Show 'em, Monkey.
Oh, I'm supposed to do that.
You guys have seen my rebound video.
Get her, Noah, get her.
See more rebound videos. Let me know down in the DM or down in the description box.
There's Gizzard. Aww. He was smiling, Mom.
I'm gonna show you guys the favorite thing about the yoga studio. I mean, I love that it's a studio, but my mom's favorite thing about it that I appreciate the most is that it has its own private restroom. Show the smudge stick thing on the wall.
Oh, yeah.
All right, come along with me. We'll do the outro together. Outro together, Monkey?
Yeah.
So my yoga studio link will be down in the description box of the classes that I'm offering. I'm a Hatha Yoga teacher specializing in beginners, but I am offering more level 2s, a vinyasa and a breathwork class. So if you guys are interested, your first class is free. So come on, like, how could you not come join me? Small, intimate space, female-based only. We could only have about 4 to 5 students at a time, but hey, it's what I've been manifesting for 3 years, so I truly appreciate it.
Wait,
We're
Mom.
on selfie mode. All right, thank you guys for watching our new apartment tour. We're so happy to be out of Bessemer, huh, Monkey?
Yeah.
We're downtown. There's still a couple like nuts, like homeless people, but we
Not
do
as
a
bad.
lot of prayer and a lot of energy cultivation in our home to keep it safe, huh, Monkey? And I sage it like all the time. And,
Yeah, you need to
and
sage
sweetgrass. Actually, I just did, girl.
Okay.
High five. Thank you guys for watching. Give us a thumbs up. Go follow us on our other platforms down below. I have a TikTok that's kind of like really going like pretty good for me, for myself, huh? So I'll link that actually down below, my Instagram, my link to my yoga classes, and my Facebook. Thank you guys for your support. Love you lots. Peace, love, and light. Namaste.
Namaste.
No, we don't speak, just fucking like he lives, 'cause we ain't trying. No, be something that we ain't meant to be. We don't talk about it, don't talk about it. Oh, we don't just talk about it.